What is the complex of ribosomes attached to a single strand of RNA known as? The answer is option A, polysome. Polysome refers to the complex formed by multiple ribosomes attached to a single RNA molecule during translation. So it is also known as polyribosomes. Whereas coming to option B, polymer, it is a term which is referring to a large molecule made up of repeating subunits, that is monomers. And polymer examples are DNA, RNA, or proteins. So option B is incorrect. Option C, polypeptide. A polypeptide is a chain of amino acids linked by peptide bond, and they make up the protein molecules. So option C is also incorrect. Option D, Okazaki fragments. So Okazaki fragments are short DNA segments synthesized during the replication of lagging strand of DNA. So option D is also incorrect. The answer is option A, polysome.